Welcome to the Data Future channel. This is Shekhar, and in this tutorial, we are going to see how we can create the pivot chart. Okay, so in the last tutorial, we have seen how to create the pivot table. So basically, we have to start with this. This is the data which is having 3 columns and almost 20 records. So this is region, month, and amount. So we have to create a pivot table. So let's take a next sheet. Uh, Insert. Here is the pivot table. So we have to select the table. So select this table and say OK. Okay, now you can see here, this is the table. Now on the right hand side, you can see there is a pivot table fields. Now there are three columns. One is region, month, and amount. Here is the filter, columns, rows, and values. So what I want is the region is the row, and month is the column, and the value will be the amount. Okay, so you can see this is the pivot table. So in the last tutorial we have seen how to create the pivot table. Now in this tutorial we are going to plot a pivot chart. Okay, now click on the any of the cell, and here you can see it's the pivot chart. So when I click here, you can see the different types of the plots charts you can see. So what I want the bar chart. So I'll select this and say OK. So this is our table. Pivot chart. So very simple. So here you can see there are 3 months: January, February, March, and regions. The 4 regions. Okay, so you can select or deselect from here. So suppose I want to select only south and west, so you will see only these south and west for these 3 regions. Now I want for January only. So here you can see, and also simultaneously these values are changing. So this is the dynamic table we can see. Okay, so if I select everything, so you will see here the all the values, right? Now one more thing is that if I want to put the insert the slicer here, so where is the slicer? So yes, we have to select here and select the slicer. Okay, you can select the 2 slicers, region and month. Okay, you will see these slicers. So slicer number 1, so we can reduce the size of this slicer here. I'll put it here, and one more is this, the months. Okay, now there are 2 slicers. Now you can see these. Now I want only for East and for February. You can see this is the our data. Okay, so if I want it for so remove this. I want it for January and February. Sorry. Uh, okay. Then you have to control select these two. So you can see this is for January and February, and this is for East. Now here this is for North. So you can remove the filters from here, and you can see the all the data. So this is about how to create the pivot chart, and subsequently you can create a pivot table as well as the pivot chart. Okay, thank you.